Hello and welcome back to Nicole's DIY. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Today I'm going to share with you how easy it is to make a 3-tier tray from the Dollar Tree, and or if you have these similar pans at home, you can do this with what you have. So let's get started. I'm going to paint these candle holders white, and then I'm going to distress them a little bit with a black Sharpie pen to make them look a little bit vintage. I recommend while painting that you use some safety glasses and a face mask, just for protection. Now it's time to go ahead and attach the candle holders with the E6000 glue and some hot glue. You could just use the E6000, but I'm going to put some hot glue along with it. This way it attaches quickly for the video. I'm gluing 2 candle holders together. This way it'll give it height for the tier tray, and I can choose a taller object for the tier tray. If you want your tier tray shorter, you can go ahead and just use 1 candle holder. So the second largest tier tray is going to go in the middle, and then the smaller one to the top. You could measure this out, I'm just eyeing it. Okay friends, so you don't have to go out and buy something new. If you have candles or objects that would fit between these tier trays, go ahead and use that. If you have some older cake pans, pizza pans, go ahead and use those too, so you don't have to leave the house. This 3-tier tray has been inspired by many wonderful YouTube creators. So thank you so much for all the ideas and wonderful things y'all make. Now if you're just going to go ahead and use the E6000, I recommend letting this sit overnight. You can use a Sharpie pen to distress, or if you have some black paint, acrylic paint, go ahead and use that. The reason why I wanted this 3-tier tray a little bit taller is so I could put these little planters and taller objects underneath the tray. I purchased these mugs at my grocery store H-E-B, and they are just so adorable. Bunnies and I go way back. I raised them as a young girl, had them in my teens, had them in my 20s. I just loved and adored them. These little bunnies also remind me of the Avon collection that my mom used to buy me when I was younger. This sweet little bike with a basket reminds me of my bicycle growing up, as I used to put my little bunny, Flopsy, in the basket and ride all over the neighborhood with her. I purchased this precious little chick from Hobby Lobby, and it is fuzzy, furry, and it just feels so neat. It reminds me of some cards that are in my baby book that my mom has for me. Well, I didn't expect this 3-tier tray to bring me down memory lane, but it sure has, and it's been fun. So just for color, I'm going to go ahead and try these blue Easter eggs that I got from the Dollar Tree last year. Just for a little color pop. Not sure if I like it, but just for fun, let's see. Here's the birdhouse. And this pretty pick came from Michaels. I love the colors. These pretty pink finches can be found at Michaels. They are just so pretty, and I thought it'd be perfect for this time of year. Yes, y'all know me. I always have to have a bird in my videos. Just so tiny precious. I love it. I've had these cross pigs since last year, and I just love them. John 3:16, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him should not perish, but have everlasting life. I'm just cutting down the pick off of here so I can glue it into the moss. There would not be an Easter story without the precious Lamb of God. John 1:29, behold the Lamb of God, who takes away the sin of the world. I promised my daughter Cassidy that I would make her a 3-tier tray, so I hope you like it, sweetheart. A few of my DIYs from last spring, so I hope you check them out. I hope this video encouraged you and inspired you to be creative. Friends, I am thinking of you, praying for you, for your health and safety. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. All right, y'all. Until next time, be blessed.